Hi everyone. Every tip you're going to hear in this video has been verified by expert mechanics. So take a deep breath. We're going to fix this together. If your Hyundai shows the check high mounted brake light message, don't panic. Your car isn't on strike. It's just telling you that the high brake light, the one above the main brake lights, isn't working properly. The most common cause and the first thing many mechanics mention is the third brake bulb. Yep, that simple little bulb that sometimes burns out without warning. Replacing it usually solves the problem in minutes and is the fastest way to get rid of the message. Just make sure you use the correct type of bulb. If you install an LED without a resistor, the system may still think there's a fault. If you change the bulb and the message keeps appearing, don't worry. This happens a lot. Many say the issue could be in the connector or the bulb harness. Moisture, dust, or vibration can make the system detect a fault even if the light works. Cleaning the connector or securing it properly sometimes makes the warning disappear like magic. Now, if everything looks fine but the warning persists, the bulb socket may be damaged or corroded. Some mechanics had to replace the entire high brake light assembly because the socket wasn't making a good connection. It's also common for wires to rub or loosen, creating intermittent signals that confuse the system. Finally, if after checking the bulb, connector, and wires the message still won't go away, it's time to consider a system reset or a professional scan. Disconnecting the battery for a few minutes can reset the car's memory, but if the fault persists, it's best to take it to a shop with a scanner that reads light module errors to pinpoint exactly which circuit is causing the problem.